Okay, guys, for this one, for small values of h, this function is best approximated by which of the following? Guys, if they're asking about like an approximation, very often it's going to be the linear approximation case. Sorry, folding paper. All right. So the approximate values of a function that very close to a value, we can use the tangent line. Okay, so I drew a picture there. Here's the formula. All right, so we need to know that formula. But guys, it says very close to a value. So to approximate values of f very close to a certain input, well, what would we be very close? What would our input be very close to? Guys, for small values of h, small values means close to 0. So we're basically using this formula, but a is going to be 0. Okay, so you need to know that L, and the variable's h here, but you could use x, I guess. I guess I'll use h. So L of h is equal to f of 0 plus f prime of 0, x minus 0. Oh, h, whoopsie, h minus 0. Okay, so guys, f of 0 is the fourth root of 16. That's 2. Yeah, so that's going to be 2, that part. So you could cross off, C, D, and A. That's good. And now f prime, this is probably going to be the tricky part. For f prime of 0, you've got to do chain rule. So the inside is 16 plus h. The outside is blank to the 1/4. The derivative of the inside is 1. Derivative of the outside is a fourth blank to the negative 3/4. And then 16 plus h goes back in. Okay. And then, so for h equals 0, this above thing equals a fourth, and then 16 to the negative 3/4. This is 1/4. Okay, so you know what, guys? As you're looking at this, this is multiple choice. Are we getting, okay, so I guess the difference is between whether we're going to get a plus here or a minus here. And I can already see from where I'm going that I'm going to have a positive number here. I could see that already. So I know that it's going to be B. Now, if you feel uncomfortable with finishing this, then please stay for a moment, because this is a non-calculator section. So this would be 1 over 16 to the positive 3/4. So this is a fourth times 1 over, that'd be the fourth root of 16 to the third. So that's a fourth times an eighth, 1 over 32. Okay, so that'd be plus 1 over 32, and then h minus 0. All right, so we do end up with getting B.